Getting compliments in bed is something all guys enjoy, and presenting a healthy penis one can take pride in increases the chances of hearing praise from a bedmate. Receiving flattering praise is good reinforcement for practicing proper penis care, but what are some of the specific things a guy wants to be told? Ladies, take note of the following. Praise for performance. This one is a given. Every guy likes to be told that his sexual performance was awesome. Even men who possess a high degree of self-confidence like to know that their expertise is appreciated. There are any number of ways a woman can express her admiration. Certainly a simple, "that was incredible," goes a long way, but there are other routes as well. "I'm going to be tingling for weeks, phew. Where in the name of God did you learn that?" and "you've spoiled me for all other men" are surefire winners. So is giving the man a new nickname, such as Conan or Maximus. Think any of these are a little over the top? When stroking a guy's sexual ego, there's no such thing as too far or too much. Speak about size. This is also a given. No matter how modestly endowed a man may be, he wants to be told that his member is a worthy player in the game of sex. Sometimes this may require fudging the truth a bit. "Once it was inside me, it felt so massive," for example. As with performance, it's practically impossible to overpraise the size of a man's organ. So have a field day with it. Don't neglect the looks of the manhood. Size isn't everything, of course. A guy also likes to be told that what he has between his legs is as handsome as the rest of him. When dealing with a healthy penis, this is easy to accomplish. Among the things one can compliment about a guy's member are the following: the shape. Whether it's straight as an arrow or has a pronounced bend, a woman scores points for mentioning how precisely the shape of the member fit inside her and how its shape seems sculpted especially to give her pleasure. The skin. When soft, a penis often has wrinkly skin, but when erect it becomes firm and taut. Let a man know how smooth and supple the skin feels. Pay special attention to skin that is properly moisturized. A guy wants points for keeping dry, flaky skin at bay. The color. A nice, even skin tone deserves notice. While it's natural for there to be variation in hue from one part of the penis to another, men like to avoid splotchiness or red rashes that can spoil the appearance. Give a guy a pat on the back for success in this area. The aroma. Or lack thereof, actually. A slight muskiness can be arousing, but far too many men find themselves cursed with a penis that emits a hard-to-get-rid-of unpleasant odor. Guys who work hard to maintain a healthy penis are likely to get more compliments on the appearance of their manhood. If a man's organ is lacking in this area, his partner can suggest that he makes a superior penis health creme. Health professionals recommend Man Oil, a part of his daily routine. When that creme comes with vitamin A, the man is taking a step toward banishing unwanted odor. Vitamin A has antibacterial properties that attack the root of aromatic issues. A creme with a potent antioxidant like alpha-lipoic acid is also crucial for ensuring the health of the manhood skin, as it fights the premature aging of penile cells. And if L-arginine is among the ingredients in the creme, so much the better. This ingredient assists in oxygenation of penile cells and helps to avoid the sight of broken capillaries. A proper creme will enhance a man's pride and make his manhood an even more welcome gift to his partner.